Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating a goods received note in Strategic ERP. You can create a GRN in two cases. When there is a single purchase order and when there are multiple purchase orders. First, let's learn how to create a GRN in case of a single PO. In Goods Received Note, under Site Management, select the PO number for which you want to create a GRN. Based on your selection, details such as GRN date, project name, name of company, supplier name will be automatically fetched. Select the godown name where the stock will be added. Enter the challan number, e-way bill number, challan date, e-way bill date if applicable. You can also add details such as gate pass number, gate pass date and time. You can select the transporter name in case you have hired any person. You can enter additional details such as dealer name, vehicle measure, vehicle number and weight required. If you select weight required as yes, the relevant fields will auto-populate. Under purchase entries, enter the quantity directly based on the weight. If you select weight required as no, the details will be auto-fetched from the PO. You are only required to enter the challan quantity received for the invoice. Add remarks if any and click on Save. To create a GRN for multiple POS, select the project name, supplier name, godown name, challan number and challan date. You can also select the e-way bill number, e-way bill date, gate pass number, gate pass date and time. Select the transporter name, dealer name, vehicle measure required and vehicle number if any. Select multiple POs from the POs option. Enter space after selecting a single PO. Details for multiple POs will be automatically fetched under purchase entries. If you select purchase category as asset, a goods issue note cannot be generated for that item. In that case, you can go to the asset module, create a separate asset ID for that item and transfer details from one project to another. Enter the challan quantity received. Select the purchase category. The process of creating a goods received note in Strategic ERP is now complete.